moment, I'm president of the holdings, and I think for the next 4 years of implementation and growth, it's important that I stay on board in order to really transfer the knowledge that I acquired over the years. And I think within 2-3 years we will be 200-300 people, so this will get an automatic evolvement of knowledge and science behind that, and within 5 years I think this is a completely different company. I think that's my term of when I will stay in the management. I'm also board director of holdings, and I will be in the company as long as I'm asked to take place or to take part. But there will be a time within 4 or 5 years where others have to take over the management and those things to grow the company even beyond.